What you're seeing right now isn't a museum piece. It's a rebirth. This is the 2026 Morris Minor 1000 convertible, a legendary British silhouette reimagined for the modern era with luxury, performance, and open-top cruising in mind. Soft top folded, cream paint glowing under daylight, LED lighting framing those classic curves. Today, we're diving into its full design, front, side, rear, interior, plus what we expect from the engine, pricing, and launch timing. Let's start exactly where your eyes go first. From head-on, the car blends friendliness with confidence. The rounded fenders and upright nose instantly echo the original, but everything has been sharpened for 2026. Circular LED headlights with halo rings, a resculpted chrome grille, slim daytime running lights integrated into the bumper, subtle red accent trim along the lower edge, and a black splitter that lowers the visual center of gravity. The hood keeps that signature central ridge, but it's wider and more muscular now, giving the whole front end a planted premium stance. It doesn't feel cartoonish, it feels deliberate. From the side, this is where the design really sings. Short overhangs, teardrop bodywork, smooth, flowing surfacing. But layered on top of that vintage foundation are unmistakably modern upgrades. Black multi-spoke wheels, low-profile tires, red brake calipers, sport sill stripes, lower ride height, flush door handles, power-fold mirrors. The fabric convertible roof tucks cleanly behind the rear seats, keeping the proportions elegant and uncluttered. This isn't just a retro cruiser. It's a lifestyle roadster. Around back, the car keeps things simple and classy. Slim LED taillights reinterpret the original teardrop shape. A chrome rear bumper stretches across the width. Twin exhaust outlets add visual muscle. Morris lettering dominates the trunk lid, and above it sits the Morris Minor 1000 script, subtle and proud. With the roof folded and the taillights glowing, the rear view feels upscale, restrained, and very 2026. No excess, just timeless proportions with modern detailing. Step inside, and the transformation is dramatic. The upright dashboard layout and circular gauge theme remain, but the materials and technology are completely modern. Two-tone perforated leather seats, digital cluster housed in a retro-style dial, central infotainment display, ambient LED light strips across the dash and doors, leather-wrapped steering wheel with multi-function controls, push-button start, electronic gear selector, wireless charging, dual-zone climate control, premium sound system. With the roof down and the ambient lighting glowing at night, the cabin feels more boutique grand tourer than vintage commuter car. It's nostalgia, upgraded to executive lounge status. Now, official specifications haven't been confirmed yet, but judging by the stance, brake hardware, and overall packaging, this modern Morris revival likely runs one of two setups: a turbocharged 4-cylinder petrol engine or a plug-in hybrid drivetrain. Expect somewhere in the region of 200 to 280 horsepower paired with an automatic transmission, multiple drive modes, adaptive suspension, and modern stability systems. That's a world away from the original car's humble roots, turning this into a proper open-top performance cruiser for 2026 streets. So what would something like this cost? Given the craftsmanship, technology, and premium resto-mod positioning, pricing would likely land between $45,000 and $65,000 USD. As for timing, a reveal late in 2025, with showroom arrivals expected in early to mid-2026, most likely as a limited-run Halo model at first, before expanding into other body styles later. So that's the 2026 Morris Minor 1000 convertible. Not a replacement, a celebration. Classic design language, modern performance, luxury materials, and roof-down summer night energy dialed all the way up. Would you daily drive something like this? Or is it weekend toy perfection? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Hit subscribe for more retro modern car deep dives, and I'll catch you in the next one.